Welcome back to Exploring Our Earth. Get ready for a week-long journey through the enchanting region of Tuscany, Italy. Join us as we uncover the rich history, mesmerizing landscapes, and hidden gems that this captivating destination has to offer. In this 7-day itinerary, we'll take you on a whirlwind tour of Tuscany's iconic cities, including Florence, Siena, and Pisa. Unwind in picturesque hilltop retreats and immerse yourself in the warm embrace of Italian hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible adventures around the globe. Let's get started. Tuscany offers diverse transportation options for exploring its breathtaking landscapes and historic cities. To get around, you can rent a car, giving you the freedom to traverse both popular and off-the-beaten-path destinations. Alternatively, the well-developed train network connects major cities like Florence, Pisa, and Siena, while regional buses efficiently reach smaller towns and villages. Citibus is an umbrella company under which several regional bus companies operate. If you prefer guided experiences, organized tours are available as well. Check out the description box below for helpful links. The best time to visit Tuscany depends on your preferences. Spring and autumn boast pleasant weather, blooming flowers, and fewer tourists, while summer attracts more visitors, but offers sunny, hotter days. Winter is an off-season with its own charm, providing a quieter and budget-friendly opportunity to explore the region's cultural wonders. We start our adventures in Florence, known as the cradle of the Renaissance. It's one of Europe's most beautiful and busiest cities with more than 4 million visitors annually. Get a taste of the art scene at the iconic Galleria dell'Accademia, where you'll immediately be captivated by the sheer magnificence of Michelangelo's masterpiece, David. It's home to the largest number of Michelangelo sculptures in the world, and a large collection of paintings by Florentine artists. Next, take a short walk to the vibrant Mercato di San Lorenzo, one of the oldest markets in the city. Here, you'll find yourself surrounded by stalls bursting with colorful leather goods, souvenirs, and local crafts. It's the perfect place to enjoy the ambiance, capture vibrant photographs, and perhaps find a unique memento to bring home. Just a few steps away is a food lover's paradise, Mercato Centrale, offering a wide range of vendors selling fresh produce, regional specialties, and delicious street food. It's a place where locals and tourists come together to experience the flavors of Tuscany. Next, make your way to the Piazza del Duomo, the heart of Florence. The magnificent Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral, designed by Arnolfo di Cambio, is the third largest church in the world. It will take your breath away with its stunning frescoes, intricate stained glass windows, and beautiful works of art. To capture stunning views of the city, you can climb Giotto's Bell Tower or Brunelleschi's Dome. Do keep in mind that both climbs require lots of stairs, so be prepared. Don't miss the chance to visit the Opera del Duomo Museum. It houses many of the original works of art created for the Florence Cathedral. Take a short walk to the Piazza della Repubblica, a bustling square in Florence where you can take a leisurely stroll and admire the stunning architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Visit the iconic carousel for a nostalgic ride, explore the nearby shops and boutiques, and indulge in delicious gelato from one of the charming cafes. Don't forget to stop by the Fontana del Porcellino and make a wish by rubbing its nose. Legend has it that doing so guarantees your return to Florence one day. Take a 5-minute walk to the Piazza della Signoria, a symbol of Medici power, and one of the most historically important piazzas in Florence. It's home to the Palazzo Vecchio, a beautiful open-air museum showcasing some incredible statues like the beautiful Neptune's Fountain, a copy of Michelangelo's David, Loggia dei Lanzi, and the Uffizi Gallery. Nearby is one of Florence's well-kept secrets, the Giardino Bardini, an Italian Renaissance garden of the Villa Bardini, where you can admire the greenery and views of the city. As the sun sets, grab a bottle of wine and enjoy the best views in Florence at the Piazzale Michelangelo. After a long day of sightseeing, enjoy a Tuscan dinner at one of the many restaurants in the area. We recommend trying La Bucetta Food and Wine Restaurant, where the prices are reasonable and the food is to die for. Day 2. Get ready for an unforgettable full-day wine and food tour. Departing from Florence, you'll discover why Tuscany's Chianti region holds a special place in the hearts of wine enthusiasts worldwide. Nestled in the rolling hills of central Tuscany, This picturesque area is renowned for its vineyards, charming olive groves, and captivating medieval villages. During the wine and food tour, you'll have the opportunity to taste the rich, full-bodied Chianti Classico, known for its deep ruby color and notes of cherry, plum, and subtle spices. The region's wine-growing heritage dates back centuries, with vineyards producing wine in harmony with the surrounding landscape. As you journey through this timeless countryside, you'll encounter historic wine estates, historic villas, and a cellar specializing in the famous Chianti Classico bottles. Chianti isn't just about wine. It is also famous for its high-quality extra virgin olive oil and delectable cheeses. At one of the stops, you'll have the chance to sample these artisanal delights and indulge in a delicious three-course meal surrounded by the captivating Chianti countryside. Your adventure will take you off the beaten path, providing you with unique access to the region's hidden gems and breathtaking panoramas, leaving you with unforgettable memories. Start day 3 by taking a train from Florence to Lucca. Trains from Florence to Lucca run regularly, and the journey takes approximately 1 hour. Stop by Buccellato Tadeucci to grab an espresso and try the famous buccellato, a delicious sweetbread made in Lucca. After getting fuel for the day ahead, explore Lucca's historic center. The city walls form a 3-mile greenway loop that completely encircles the city. You can take a leisurely stroll or rent a bike to explore the charming medieval streets surrounded by well-preserved Renaissance walls. Be sure to visit Lucca's impressive Cathedral of San Martino. Take a 5-minute walk to the iconic Guinigi Tower and climb to the top for panoramic views of Lucca. This medieval tower is famous for its rooftop garden filled with ancient oak trees. Indulge in a leisurely lunch. We recommend trying La Bottega di Anna e Leo, where you can taste authentic Tuscan dishes and local specialties. For the second part of your day, take a short 30-minute train ride from Lucca to Pisa. Once in Pisa, head to the Piazza dei Miracoli, Square of Miracles, where you can marvel at Pisa's cathedral, one of the most impressive churches in Tuscany. It's a masterpiece of Pisan Romanesque architecture with stunning interiors, and is most famous for its bell tower, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Consider climbing to the top for stunning views of the square, and don't forget to take the coveted selfie in front of the tower. Stop by the Battistero di Pisa, the largest baptistry in Italy. Fun fact, it also leans at a slight angle. Take a relaxing stroll along the Arno River, enjoying the scenic views and the serene ambiance. End your day with a delightful dinner in Pisa. Choose a restaurant near the river, or in the historic center. Enjoy delicious Tuscan dishes, and maybe even a glass of local wine. Day 4 takes us to Livorno, an Italian port city on the west coast of Tuscany, about an hour-and-a-half drive from Florence. At this point in the itinerary, we would suggest staying in Livorno for the night. But of course, that is up to your preferences. Livorno is known for its seafood, Renaissance-era fortifications, and modern harbor. Begin your morning with a leisurely stroll along the breathtaking Terrazza Mascagni. It's a promenade offering sweeping views of the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea. Just steps away is the Livorno Aquarium, where a mesmerizing array of marine life awaits. Take a 10-minute drive to the vibrant atmosphere of Mercato del Vettovagli, the central market in Livorno. Here you can savor local delicacies and fresh produce for lunch. Explore the heart of the city at Piazza della Repubblica, surrounded by elegant buildings and bustling cafes. Venture into the picturesque Venice district, where you can experience Livorno from a unique perspective on a boat tour along its canals, uncovering maritime connections and scenic landscapes. Take a 3-minute car ride and step back in time at the historic Ponte Vecchio, a 16th-century fortress with striking architecture and panoramic vistas. If time permits, visit the San Jacopo in Acquaviva Church, adorned with intricate artwork, historical significance, and offers stunning views of the sea. Stop by the Terrazza Mascagni one last time as the sun sets and bask in serene ocean views. Conclude your day with an extraordinary dinner at the highly recommended Osteria del Mare, a beloved local gem. Indulge in their delectable seafood and pasta dishes that are sure to leave you craving for more. Day 5. We explore the enchanting Italian hill town of Arezzo, known as the City of Gold and High Fashion. It's one of the world's most significant manufacturing centers. You can easily reach Arezzo from Florence in about an hour by train or car, making it a convenient destination for your travel itinerary. Start your day at the Piazza Grande, the city's main square, and one of the most beautiful squares in Tuscany. Admire the charming medieval buildings surrounding the square, such as the Palazzo del Loggia. If you visit on the first weekend of the month, you can catch the renowned Antique Fair, where the square transforms into a vibrant market with unique treasures from over 500 exhibitors from all over the country. Located near Piazza Grande is the Arezzo Cathedral, a remarkable example of Tuscan Gothic architecture with its stunning facade adorned with intricate sculptures. Take a short walk to the Basilica of San Francesco, another significant religious site in Arezzo. This basilica is famous for its fresco cycle, the legend of the True Cross, painted by Piero della Francesca. The cycle is a masterpiece of Renaissance art, depicting scenes from the life of the Cross of Christ. For lunch, head to a local trattoria or osteria, where you can indulge in traditional Tuscan dishes. If you want to try something different, take a pasta-making class at a local's home. Spend the afternoon delving into art and history at the Museum of Medieval and Modern Art. Housed in the magnificent 14th-century Palazzo Bruni Chiocci, the museum showcases an impressive collection of medieval and Renaissance artworks. Visit the Church of San Domenico, known for its remarkable artwork. The church is famous for housing Cimabue's crucifix, a priceless piece of art from the 13th century. As the afternoon progresses, take a leisurely hike up to the Medici Fortress, which offers a panoramic view of Arezzo and the surrounding countryside. Enjoy the scenic beauty and take memorable city photos. Return to Piazza Grande during golden hour to experience the square's magical ambiance. As the day turns into evening, head to a local ristorante for a delightful dinner and try Vin Santo, a sweet Tuscan dessert wine. After dinner, take a leisurely stroll through the streets of Arezzo after dark with its illuminated buildings and charming alleys. You might even stumble on live music performances or lively gatherings in the squares, adding a touch of local life to your evening. Next on our itinerary is Siena, famous for its food, art, medieval landscape, and the Palio, a horse race held twice a year in Piazza del Campo. Start the day by heading straight to Siena Cathedral, known for its Romanesque, Gothic, and classical architecture, including its intricate facade, beautiful marble floors, and impressive dome. It is also home to many works of art, including sculptures by Donatello and frescoes by Pinturicchio and other artists. Just steps away is the Piazza del Campo, the heart of Siena, and enjoy the iconic shell-shaped square. Visit Palazzo Pubblico, the town hall, to explore the Museo Civico and see remarkable frescoes. Take a break for lunch at one of the many restaurants in the area. After lunch, visit the Basilica of San Domenico to see its beautiful facade and the relics of Saint Catherine of Siena. In the late afternoon, unwind at Giardini La Lizza, a serene public garden, and perhaps enjoy a small picnic to rejuvenate after a day of sightseeing. If time permits, don't miss out on a wine tasting at the Enoteca Italiana to experience regional Tuscan wines. For dinner, return to the historic center and savor authentic Italian cuisine at a charming trattoria. As the sun sets, wander through Siena's narrow medieval streets and soak in the magical twilight atmosphere, illuminated by the warm glow of streetlights. End your day on a sweet note with authentic Italian gelato from a nearby gelateria near Piazza del Campo, enjoying your treat in the iconic square and cherishing the last moments of your day in Siena. On the final day of our 7-day Tuscany itinerary, enjoy a day filled with relaxation and adventure. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Saturnia is known for its natural thermal springs and breathtaking countryside. Begin your day by indulging in the soothing waters of Cascate del Mulino, the mesmerizing natural thermal waterfalls. Afterward, explore the town of Saturnia with its quaint streets, and consider visiting the Romanesque Church of Santa Maria Maddalena. In the afternoon, take a 30-minute drive to embark on a journey through time at the Parco Archeologico Città del Tufo, an ancient Etruscan archaeological site located in Pitigliano. The town is built on and around a tufa rock cliff, giving it a striking and dramatic appearance. Many buildings and structures are carved directly into the tufa rock, creating a one-of-a-kind architectural style that blends harmoniously with the natural surroundings. The park is dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich Etruscan history and heritage of the region. One of the highlights of the park is the impressive V Cave, a network of pathways carved into the tufa rock, believed to have been used for religious and ceremonial purposes. Explore the town and marvel at the stunning architecture. For your last dinner in Tuscany, we recommend trying Il Tuffo Allegro, a trattoria that offers a stunning ambiance and delicious food. And there you have it, our 7-day Tuscany itinerary filled with captivating experiences in this enchanting region. We hope this journey has provided you with inspiration for your own travel.